Hey guys, it's Kristen, and I just checked my mail and I received my family reading crate by Build Your Library. Emily Cook over at ARG Schooling has created Build Your Library curriculum and does a family reading crate, and it's just my favorite thing. It's like a subscription box, so you pay for it monthly. It's $34.95, I think, including shipping, and it comes with a family read aloud, a book for little kids, a YA or middle-aged reading book, and a book for the adult, plus some little extra goodies sometimes that she finds. But it is so fun to just open it up and check it out, so I wanted y'all to come along. So I'm gonna open it up real quick. Awesome, finally got it. Okay. Apparently this stuff is to protect the books, but my husband absolutely hates it. He tells me if he finds on the floor again that I can't order any more reading crates. Okay, so you get this first. It's like the guide. It tells you a little bit about each book, has some links for you to go back and get more from the stuff that she didn't include in the box. And it has discussion questions for each of the books. It's pretty cool. This box is Reader Player 1, so like gaming. She always includes fun bookmarks. This is a Build Your Library bookmark and a Pac-Man inspired bookmark. A designed by her son, I think, bookmark about the box. All right, here's one of the goodies. The triangle game, my kids play it at Cracker Barrel all the time. They love it, so gotta hide this or they will lose all the pieces today. Here is, I think this is the adult book, Cure for the Common Universe. Yes, that is the adult book. Let me show it to you. Cure for the Common Universe by Christian McKay Heydrich. Let's see what else is next. It's in my hair. The Memory Wall by Lev A.C. Rosen. That is the teen book. The family read aloud is Click Here to Start by Dennis Markle. Looks really fun. Like, look at those pictures. It has like the different scenes separated, just like a video game. I just can't even wait to read this. Then we have the book for your younger reader. It's a picture book by Christy Matheson, Tap the Magic Tree. I think from what I remember her saying about it is like a interactive book. Oh yeah, see, like right here, it says shake the tree, and you shake the tree and turn the page, plop, 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 all the apples have fallen off. Oh, this is like the Press Here books or the Mix It Up books. My kids like these a lot. And last this month is a stick and color. It's a stick. It's a MyPad, so it looks like an iPad, but it's a sticker and coloring book. And like here's a really good example of why it works for today. It's like a video game coloring picture. And there's just stickers to put different places, and I really think that Lucy, my 4th kid, will really like this. Alright, so yeah, it was a really good haul. I'm excited about a lot of these books, this one. And she hasn't let us stray yet. This is my 4th book, and I haven't read a single book that she's recommended that I didn't like. Thanks for coming along and watching me open this box. It was really exciting, and I guess I'll see y'all next time. As soon as I stopped videoing, this happened. The baby woke up.